Samsung's big party is almost here. July 9, 2025 is the date to circle because that's when the next Galaxy Unpacked goes down. And yeah, this one's going to be loaded. We're talking all the big names: the Galaxy Z Fold 7, the Z Flip 7, the very first Flip 7 Fan Edition, finally, and the brand new Galaxy Watch 8 series, including the return of the classic. Now, if you're the type who likes being ahead of the game, Samsung's got something cool lined up. They've opened up early reservations in multiple countries, including India. And for just 1999 rupees, you can score what they're calling a VIP pass. Sounds fancy, right? Well, turns out it actually comes with some legit perks. At first, it wasn't clear what those perks were, but thanks to a leak shared by Roland Quant on Bluesky, we've got the full breakdown. If you end up buying the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Samsung's throwing in a voucher worth about $60. Choose the Z Flip 7 or the Flip 7 FE, and you'll get a $40 voucher either way. Planning to grab the Galaxy Watch 8? That's another $60. And if you're leaning toward the Watch 8 Classic, you get a slightly smaller voucher, roughly $50. These vouchers can be used on Samsung's website or through the Samsung Shop app, but here's the deal. You've got to use them on stuff that costs the same or more than the voucher. So no splitting the value or keeping the change. It's a one-shot thing. There's even a detailed list of eligible products included in the leaked document, so you'll know exactly what qualifies. And if you're feeling a little commitment phobic, don't stress. You can cancel the VIP pass anytime and get your 1999 rupees back. Full refund, no hassle. But if you use the voucher and then cancel the item you used it on, Samsung will slap on a cancellation fee. That's $99 for wearables and accessories, and ours $999 for phones, tablets, or laptops. So yeah, not a bad deal if you're planning to grab one of the new devices anyway. You spend a little now, get a decent reward later, as long as you're all in. What about you? Gonna lock it in early or wait for the official reveal before making a move? Let me know what you're thinking, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay tuned, it's gonna be a fun launch.